Hey, can you bring me a bucket of those steamers? No, I'm talking about the clams. All right, hey everyone, welcome back. It's Bryan, and here we are for another episode of Trade Talk Tuesday. Now, as you might be able to tell, I am coming to you from the island of Nantucket today because we're in full-on summer vacation mode, but smart money never sleeps. So, in the spirit of embracing this East Coast lifestyle, let's put on our Sperry's, let's pop our collars, let's grab ourselves a White Claw, and let's sink our father's yacht because it's time for Trade Talk Tuesday Nantucket edition. All right, so let's get started. And I apologize if the Wi-Fi is a little bit spotty because I'm just running off the Nantucket cottage house Wi-Fi. But here we go. Many of you in past episodes have been asking about stocks that are priced $20 or below, but that also have huge upside potential. I mean, yeah, like who doesn't want that, right? Well, good news for you today. I have one such play for you. So let's dive right in. The stock is called Workhorse Group. The ticker is WKHS. And they make battery electric vehicles and aircraft. And you probably recognize this sector because Nikola Corporation got all of the positive press with their zero emission vehicles. But you probably don't realize the best performing name within this group is actually Workhorse. And the reason, they have positive catalysts lined up one after the other. First, they partnered with UPS back in 2018 to design and build delivery vans in hopes to eventually replacing UPS's 35,000 gasoline and diesel-powered trucks currently in their fleet. Second, the U.S. Postal Service also said that they're interested in replacing their 163,000 delivery vehicles with Workhorse Technology Group. And also, most recently, on July 14th, Ryder announced that they'll begin offering their all-electric vans through their North American rollout. So Workhorse operates in two different segments. They have their automotive segment, and then they have their aviation segment. The products include electric cargo vans and medium and light duty pickup trucks. And they also have their Horsefly branded delivery drones. Now, I admit, Horsefly, it's a brutal name in my view because who likes horseflies? They're the worst, right? But anyway, I digress. Their website says this is the future of delivery. And their Workhorse C-Series vehicles are 100% electric. And their Horsefly drones cost 3 cents per mile to deliver. So speaking of good news, on July 28th, all of their C-Series electric delivery trucks were deemed eligible for the hybrid and zero-emission truck and bus voucher incentive project. Now, this was a program initiated by the California Air and Resource Board. And long story short, certain Workhorse C-Series vehicles now qualify for monetary vouchers, which help reduce the total cost of any purchaser in the state of California. Now, this is big news because it sets a strong precedent going forward. So in terms of trading Workhorse, my first recommendation came on July 27th. I said, open trade, WKHS. And I got to tell you, it was a thrill. Forrest said, crazy price action. Mehandra said, Workhorse coming back up. And then Michael V said, WKHS is ripping. So the next day, I closed out that trade for a quick 20% winner. Here's the closeout trade right here. Here's the alert. And in response, Kate C said, 25%. Thanks for the trade, Bryan. Finnegan said, sold half of the position for a 29% profit. And then Lance said, in at 180, out at 231 for a 28% gain. Thanks, BB. And then the next day, we did that same trade again and made 33% in just over an hour. So the point is, if you want to get positioned, then the time to make your play on Workhorse is right now. Just know that it moves fast, so be ready to take your profits. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday Nantucket edition. If you want to receive my top picks every single day, I invite you to sign up for my Trader Today. You could click the link in the description below right here, and you will be signed up totally free. So on that, I'm off to help my friend Chad. He just texted me. He got his Jeep stuck in the sand again. So I will see you here next week for Trade Talk Tuesday. Until then, cue my exit music.